Announcement.
Announcement.
Okay.
You're all invited to the wedding of Erica and also Les.
Where's Erica? Who's Erica, guys?
Erica, this good-looking girl.
Jason.
And Les is now cooking because of Erica.
Cool. Yep. That's right.
Les
Ina.
is serious.
Say something, Ina.
Yeah. He sleeps well at night already.
Yeah!
Ana. Ilalagay ko to sa YouTube.
Huh?
Oh, really? I'm not kidding. YouTube. Eh, bahala ka.
Look, everybody, this is how does Krishna's pose?
SJ? SJ. So how do you feel? We have like September, October, November. We have 5 months.
Excited, ready.
Yan. Make it.
What else? What else?
Halika, Les. Halika.
Lower the volume of the music first.
Mazurski. Halika.
To my incoming sister-in-law.
Les.
Okay.
Also there, huh?
What are your worries? Do you have any?
Sige na.
I feel happy.
It's gonna be in YouTube kasi. Okay. What else?
Hey, bro. No, I feel excited.
Okay.
Les, how about you? Les,
How does
it's your
40
birthday.
feel?
You're turning 40.
Jim Carrey, go.
Oh, no. Where'd you go?
Ate, na-shy po. Swallowed po kita
Rolling Baguio.
Okay.
Or Jason, Anna, and Rob.
Anna, say something, Anna, for Les and Erica. Well, tomorrow it's Les' birthday. Say something Italian for the greetings.
Auguri.
Kadiri ka to.
Aguri, Azuri.
What else will I say, Jason?
Vi auguro tanta felicità per il vostro matrimonio.
Thank you.
Otra vez.
Vi auguro molta felicità per il vostro matrimonio e spero che mia madre, Dio e Roby abbiano la possibilità di andare a vedere.
Oi,
Oi.
tu, eh?
Facciamo
No.
anche noi o andiamo a guardare?
Andiamo a vederli.
To attend.
Can you translate that in English, please? What did Jason say?
Pita cinchi nilang pito, man pito.
Okay. Krisha.
Smile, Chris.
Gabriel.
Les is now focused ever since meeting Erica and after asking Jesus to take the wheel,
Yeah.
Jesus assigned Erica to take the wheel.
Yeah.
And ever since, Les has been serious, always in a hurry, always serious. Anybody talks to him, no, I'm busy. But he's busy is only Erica.
Also,
Pequeño.
also with family.
Ako, mommy will cry.
Si Mommy.
Okay, Mom. Mom, it's your turn.
Don't talk about
Hey, boyfriend.
Mom, YouTube.
Until tumanang.
Ria.
Okay, Ria.
The new Ria.
Can you say something for your
For
sister-in-law,
the past 2
Erica?
days, the new Ria.
Go, Ria.
Erica's my shining beam of light.
Okay. What else?
Me through the hardest part.
Okay, what else? What else?
And then, what about Mommy Mitch?
Mom!
Erica
Mommy,
and
sit up for you.
How about Ria's other partner?
Wala na yun.
Don't say bad words.
No, a new one.
Ria's new partner.
New partner.
I already have my mom and my dad brought me
What time is there, Budet?
rose quartz.
Okay, zoom natin.
Rose quartz for love and romance.
I received the same.
Okay, please check this out on YouTube, Romero.
Wait, Mommy hasn't talked yet.
Okay.
You say something.
You're my mother. That's the whole point.
It's August 17, 2007.
It's time for everyone to cry.
Best wishes for Les for his birthday. May his dreams be realized, and then may they put God in the
Let's share
center of their
upstairs.
life always so that
Who's there? Who's there?
trials. Can you make me talk?
Si Les.
Sorry.
To overcome whatever challenges they face. So happy birthday, Les. How old are you going to be? 23.
Secret.
Hey, you.
May I say something? May I say something? You know, after Les met Erica, Les is now focused. For the first time.
Okay na.
Okay, guys. Pascal. Finale. Just say something. Robbie. I forgot Robbie.
What can you say? Let me hold.
The Romero family.
Also you.
Relax.
Give the camera.
Hey, Lance.
Give the camera from Robbie so Robbie can speak.
Lance.
Robbie, give the camera to.
Okay. YouTube signing off Baguio DVP.
Now
August 17,
we have
2007.
Anna's favorite. His name is Robbie. Okay?
Hey, Robbie, say something in English and in
Thank
Italian.
you very much for making me a little bit part of this family. I'm so happy to stay with you.
So when do you want to be a bigger part of the family? You say little bit.
Very short.
Alright. Short meaning in 5 years. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh wow.
Short meaning next year. End of next year.
Okay, signing out.
Thank you. Out.
Say ciao.
I like your bags, ma.